Hi guys, this is Pri. Welcome to our channel IELTS with Pri and Aman at IELTS Success Academy. If you are new to our channel, consider subscribing our channel and make sure to hit the like button and also share it with your friends. So in this video, we will be doing a cue card that is amongst the May to August 2024 speaking topics. So I had scored band 9 in my speaking test and I wanted to share some secrets with all of you so that you can achieve the same band score in your exam. So let's look at the topic. Describe your favorite place in your house where you can relax. You should say where it is, what it is like, what you enjoy doing there, and explain why you feel relaxed at this place. So let's look at a sample answer that I have created for you all. We all have a preferred spot in our homes where we can just be content being ourselves without any pretense. And today, I would like to speak about my living room, which provides me a peaceful and stress free atmosphere. So, as you all can see, instead of jumping directly to the first question, we are just giving a little bit of a general introduction regarding perfect places in our houses. Okay? So, content means to be happy. Pretense means that you don't have to pretend or be like someone. You can just be yourselves when you are in your house. So, preferred spot is a synonym for favorite place. So, instead of repeating the words that were in the question, we have used some different vocabulary words. Alright, so let's continue. Moreover, it is away from the hustle and bustle of the street and is located on the backside of my house at the far end of the kitchen, which is comparatively a lot quieter than the other areas of my house. So we have used an idiom here which is hustle and bustle, which means noise. So away from the hustle and bustle means away from the noise or busyness. Additionally, there is a picturesque wallpaper of lakes and mountains in my living room which further adds to the serene and calm atmosphere. So picturesque means beautiful and serene is another synonym for saying peaceful. I usually like to listen to music as well as watch television while lying down on my cozy bean bag, especially when I am taking a break from my studies. So, we have started answering the third question, which is what you enjoy doing there. So, obviously, if you are studying the whole day, you need to also take a break from your hectic schedule. So, that's what we are saying here, that I like to watch television and listen to music during that time while I am just lying cozily on my bean bag. Besides that, I also like to perform yoga and meditation in my living room because it is as still as the grave, features proper ventilation with large windows on both walls, as well as provides ample natural light, thereby contributing to a conducive, cheerful, and bright environment. So, we have used another idiom here which is as still as the grave, which means very quiet or silent. Ample means sufficient and conducive means favorable. So, what we are trying to say here is that my living room is properly ventilated, it has fresh air, and it is also very quiet or silent. So, all of this leads to a bright and a cheerful environment, right? If you see bright light and if the place is quiet, so all of these actually provide you with positive vibes and make you feel more cheerful or happy. So that's what we are trying to tell here. Finally, I feel on seventh heaven and am able to find solace in this room due to its perfect location, ambience, and quiet environment, all of which helps me to rejuvenate my mind. So we have used an idiom here which is feel on seventh heaven, which means to be very happy. Solace means comfort. So we are just trying to sum up whatever we had mentioned earlier. We talked about the location, that it is away from the busy streets, about the ambience, saying that it has a picturesque wallpaper and it has a lot of natural light, and also that it is very quiet, right, and silent. So that's what we are telling here, and all of this helps me to refresh or rejuvenate my mind. Thank you for your time, everyone.